Hey you guys, how's it going? Eliza here from ElizaCabrera.com. As always, bringing you motivation and actionable content to help you start making money online today. I got a good one for y'all, so make sure you stay all the way to the end, because at the end, I'm really going to give you something you can start doing right now to start generating some of this online money. We're actually going to be talking about today affiliate marketing, guys, all right? So if you were searching this topic up, you probably already have an idea of what it is. So let me just break it down. What is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is basically just the process of you earning a commission for promoting someone else's product, right? Very simple. It can be a product, it can be a service, whatever that is. The purpose is that you did not create it and somebody is giving you money. Why? Because you're also helping them make money in the process of it, right? So there are so many ways for you to make money with affiliate marketing, but I'm going to make this video very, very simple, right? The first thing about affiliate marketing to know is that it is very easy, right? It is very easy, but just because it is easy does not mean that it does not require work. I feel like for me especially, that was one of the biggest misconceptions. Oh, I don't have to create a product. Let me just drop this link and make some money. No. That's not the way it works. So let's talk about now how to get started with affiliate marketing, right? I'm getting right into the good stuff, guys. So basically, in order for you to get started with affiliate marketing, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do is figure out, okay, what am I going to promote? But even before you figure out what are you going to promote, my first question to you is to really think, do you already have an audience? Yes or no, right? Do you already have an audience? Do you already have a business? Or are you already on a social media platform where you are trying to create a brand and trying to create a, content for a certain type of audience? That's very important, because if you decide, okay, I want to start promoting, let me just grab this right here because it's in front of my face. This Swiffer. I'm going to start promoting this Swiffer. What are you going to do to promote this Swiffer, and who are you going to promote it to, right? This is actually going to be a really good example for me right now. So let's say you wanted to promote the Swiffer, but you don't have an audience to promote that link to, right? Then it's not probably a good idea for you to start just randomly promoting the Swiffer. You want to make sure that you have a plan, guys. So that's really going to be your first step. What is going to be your plan for this affiliate program, product, service, or whatever it is that you decide that you want to promote, right? That should be the first thing that you should be thinking about, right? So, okay, I have now my audience. Let's say you already have your audience. Now you have the platform that you're going to be creating product content in. And then you want to figure out, okay, what product, service, or program relates to this audience that I'm promoting to already, or that I'm sharing content with, right? It has to make sense. I feel like that is one of the biggest things that a lot of people fail to is, making it make sense to your audience, right? So what kind of audience will go great for a Swiffer? Probably if you have a cleaning channel, right? Since we're on YouTube right now, let's say you already have a YouTube channel that's all about cleaning, then heck yeah, you want to get yourself a Swiffer affiliate link, which by the way, you can probably sign up to Amazon and get yourself a link from Amazon, right? So again, figuring out that audience, where are you going to be promoting this, and does it make sense to your audience? Now let's talk about some platforms, right? So where do you find these affiliate links? One of the ones that you may already be familiar with is Amazon, right? Amazon Associates specifically. Amazon has like so many ways to make money off of them, but Amazon Associates specifically, I am currently an Amazon associate, and sometimes you guys see me drop links in the description, and it's probably related to a product that I'm doing a review for, or that I personally use myself. So now I'm sharing it with you all, and I do earn a small commission for it. Now, Amazon Associates, I do want to put it out there, you're not going to make a bunch of money unless you're creating some really good content consistently, which you should be, right? Then yes, you can make yourself good money, especially if it fits your audience and they're really interested in, right? So the first place for you, which I recommend this to everybody, is Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates, you do need to have a platform. So what does that mean? You need to have either social media that you're actively using. So you can use an Instagram link, a Facebook page, a YouTube. Absolutely. I actually have my Amazon Associates right now with my YouTube link or a website, right? So you do need to have some place that you're showing YouTube, hey, I'm gonna actually be driving traffic to this link, right? Because then it's like, what I'm gonna give you this link for. So that's one, and it's free and it's super easy to use, guys. Amazon Associates, you should be signing up for that like yesterday. So that's another one. Another website is ShareASale. So ShareASale, you do also have to apply for, and ShareASale, they're actually going to give you other programs and other companies that you can use. So it's not just, you know, like Amazon where it's a hub, obviously. It's actually going to give you a bunch of companies that you can use. So you want to go on there. And another one is Shopcollective. I actually just learned about this one. One thing that you need to make sure of is they're going to ask you for your Instagram. And your Instagram must be connected to your Facebook business page. So it must be a business or a creative page. It cannot be a personal page or they're going to deny you. And I know this because it just happened to me. I don't know why my page is business, but I'm going to figure that out, right? So Shopcollective, guys, those are just 3 examples on places that you can go on right now to start making some money, right? Now, it is something that it's not going to happen right away, right? It does take time. Why? Because you have to create that audience content, that trust relationship, right? And that's why I asked you in the beginning of this video, do you already have an audience? Because if you already have an audience, then what product matches them? There's also a lot of courses that give you affiliate links, automatic. So find out if you're an internet marketer like myself, and well, or even not, maybe you just purchase courses, because nowadays who isn't purchasing online courses? Figure out, go into their in their tabs or reach out to their support system, whoever it is. Find out if they have a affiliate link where you can start promoting it. And again, make sure that it matches your content and the audience that you're already serving, guys. So if you're finding this super helpful, guys, please make sure you drop that thumbs up. Make sure you click it, right? Click the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, guys, because I'm going to continue to give you much more good information just like this one. Now, just as I promised, I got a bonus for you. I got something that you can do right now, guys. So the bonus that I'm going to give you guys is, this is something that I actually came across. I'm not doing it, but I am in her group, and she's allowing me to drop my links as well because I know her from another business opportunity that we were in together, guys. So something you can do is, again, sign up for Amazon Associates. You want to create a Facebook group specifically for discounts. Yes, discounts. Who doesn't love discounts? Like, when I heard about this, I was like, whoa, this is genius. I actually was invited into a group by a friend of mine who does not do no online marketing, or, you know, she's not doing this a whole online business thing like myself. So when she invited me to this group, it was a huge group, and they were just dropping links every day, multiple links on random things like the Swiffer. Again, the Swiffer is right next to me. That's on sale. And people were buying. And now my little internet marketing self is like, okay, these are all affiliate links. Where are these people getting this from? Then one of my online friends created a group just like the same way. And I immediately hit her up because now I know this person. I said, hey, where are you getting these discount links from? She said, Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates? I'm an Amazon associate. I've been an Amazon associate for years now. How did I not know about this? So guys, that's an idea that you can do right now. Again, get yourself an Amazon associate. If you're already an Amazon associate, here's the thing. There's a tab on the Amazon associate that reads promotions, okay? It says promotion. You're going to click that promotion tab, and it gives you everything that's on sale. Then you simply copy that, you drop it in your Facebook group, and you invite everybody and their mama to your discount group, and you start earning commission, guys. Super simple. And there's other ways you can do this as well. There's other programs that have discounts. So you can just have a whole deep discount Facebook group and get everybody in there, right? Maybe you can make it niche specific, because Amazon, you find everything on Amazon. So let's say you have a knitting group, and now you have the discount knit group, and you just drop a whole bunch of stuff there, right? That's an idea you could do right now, guys. I hope you found this useful. Make sure, if you want more information like this, and you definitely want to grab my free guide. I have a free guide on 3 things you can do to start making money online, guys. Make sure you grab that guide. It's completely free. in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.